Penis clamping works by temporarily restricting blood outflow while allowing blood to continue flowing in, creating controlled expansion of the erectile tissues. This process, when done correctly and consistently, leads to permanent girth gains over time. Before attempting clamping, it's crucial to have at least 6 months of PE experience. This isn't a beginner technique. Your tissues need preparation through jelqing, stretching, or pumping first. To begin a proper clamping session, you'll need to achieve a full erection, ideally at 90 to 100%. Apply lubricant generously, then position the clamp at the base of your penis. Adjust it to create moderate pressure, tight enough to restrict outflow, but not so tight that it causes pain or discomfort. A standard session should last between 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, maintain your erection through gentle stimulation if needed. You'll likely notice your penis becoming warmer and appearing larger. This is normal and indicates the technique is working. The key to safety is paying attention to your body signals. If you experience any numbness, cold sensation, or discoloration, remove the clamp immediately. Always take at least 1 day off between sessions to allow for recovery. For optimal results, combine clamping with other techniques like jelqing or stretching. Many experienced users implement a rotation of methods throughout the week. Remember, penis enlargement is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and patience are essential. Most users report noticeable girth increases after 3 to 6 months of regular practice. With proper technique and dedication, penis clamping can be your pathway to significant and permanent girth enhancement.